What's going on, everybody? I know, as most of you guys know, with trucks being my first love, I love to snowboard. We didn't really record too much today. It's the first day back on the mountain, so still getting the grips for everything. So didn't want to do too much filming, but we're out here with the homies, shredding a little bit. So got some new gear, new snowboard. It's gonna be a good day. Alrighty guys, we have made it back from the mountain. Obviously it's a new day. Just a little quick shred sesh. I just want to show you, and if any of you guys are curious, I got a 2019 lobster jib board. It's a 154 wide. Yeah, it's pretty, it's got the 3BT and all this stuff, and it's a little messed up already. Hit some dirt yesterday because there wasn't too much snow, but pretty much new board, using my old bindings from last year off my Flo board and all that stuff. And I know a lot of you guys probably don't care about snowboarding on this channel, but I do, so yeah, sucks, I don't know. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Just a quick video to get back into things, show you guys that we're gonna be doing some snowboarding soon, and kind of keep going with stuff. And if you guys have any questions or you want to see anything else on this side of things, just drop in the comments and let me know. And yeah, we'll do it. This probably isn't gonna be a super long video, you know, just a quick one. We weren't really set up for filming too much, so probably have more trips almost every weekend or so. So yeah, we'll see you later, guys. I'm gonna head out. Gotta go work today. Hopefully film another video. So we'll catch you later.